Growing up during the hot summer months, my three favorite things to enjoy was fresh mango, smoked barbecue, and an ice-cold lemonade. My name is Tony, and today we'll be combining my three favorites into one drink, our mango smoked lemonade. Let's get started. For our first ingredient, we'll be adding 1.25 ounces of our smoked mango syrup. Now to smoke this syrup, we used a Chinese smoked tea, infused it for about 3 to 4 hours, and you have an awesome smoky mango syrup. We'll be adding 1.5 ounces of our fresh lemon juice and 4 ounces of cold water. We're gonna add some ice to shake. Let's seal our shaker and go into our shake. And you're gonna wanna shake this cocktail for probably a good 10, maybe 15 seconds. Make sure we get all that lemonade out. And now we're gonna strain directly into our service glass. We'll be using crushed ice for this cocktail. And we'll pour directly into the glass. We'll garnish this cocktail with a grilled mango spear, a couple of our leaves, and a dehydrated lemon wheel. And now, we're gonna add a little more smoke to our lemonade here. We have a little bit of a Chinese tea. We have our bell jar, and we're gonna add a little smoke with this flame. Typically, 15 to 20, sometimes even 30 seconds, really depending how much smoke you really want in this cocktail. And here we have our mango smoked lemonade.